Are you still rushing to close your home loan and losing a chance to build a wealth for yourself? Stop. Let me show you how a home loan can actually build a wealth for you. Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari and you are watching Value Per Square Feet. Today, we will talk about home loans, why they are good for you and how you can manage wisely to build a wealth for yourself. Many Indians think home loan are burden. Home loan is the cheapest loan available in India after the car loan at 8.5%. It's the cheapest form of a leverage to build a wealth for yourself. Let me show you how. Let's take an example of Mr. Deepak. If Mr. Deepak would have bought in 2004 1,000 square foot of apartment in Indiranagar at a base price of approximately around 5,000 square feet, the cost of acquisition for Mr. Deepak would be approximately around 50 lakh rupees in 2004. I am sharing you the table just for your understanding how numbers will play a crucial role and give you more understanding whether you should close the home loan or should you continue. So 50 lakh is the cost of apartment in Indiranagar in 2004, where Mr. Deepak has taken 80% of bank loan, which translates to 40 lakh rupees. Loan tenure is 20 years and rate of interest is around 8.5%, and per month EMI Mr. Deepak is paying approximately around 34,000 some change. Let's break this into multiple scenario. Let's keep a scenario number 1 where Mr. Deepak have run the loan for 20 years. In that case, Mr. Deepak would have paid in total to the bank principal plus interest as EMI is approximately around 82 lakh rupees 72,000. And if Mr. Deepak is selling the property in 2024, the property prices in Indiranagar anywhere vary between 25,000 to 28,000 rupees per square feet. Let's keep a pricing where Mr. Deepak is selling a property at 22,000 rupee per square feet as he bought an apartment with a good reputed developer. In that case, resale value for Mr. Deepak will be 2 crore 20 lakh rupees. Even after running the loans for 20 years, what will be the net gain for Mr. Deepak? So current value of Mr. Deepak resale property is around 2 crore 20 lakh rupees. If I subtract what the total amount he paid toward the bank in 20 years, which translates to around 82 lakh rupees 72,000. Net gain, Mr. Deepak would have made still 1 crore 37 lakh rupees. Now let's consider a second scenario where Mr. Deepak is closing the loan in 6 years. Means 2004 he bought this property and 2010 he is closing this loan. In that scenario, total EMI paid by Mr. Deepak will be approximately around 24 lakh 82,000 rupees. Remaining principal will be approximately around 34 lakh rupees. Total amount paid to the bank for the 6 year will translate to 59 lakh rupees. Saving for Mr. Deepak compared to running the loan for 20 years. He is closing the loan in 6 years, so he will be able to save approximately around 23 lakh 10,000 rupees he will be saving as amount. In this whole scenario where he is closing the loan in 6 years, we have supposed Mr. Deepak have approximately around 34 lakh rupees of liquidity and he is closing the loan. In that case, he have a good amount of saving of 23 lakh rupees. In the third scenario, Mr. Deepak going to run the loan for 20 years. If suppose he have a liquidity of 34 lakh rupees, instead of closing the loan, he invests that 34 lakh rupees into mutual funds or SIPs for next 14 years. If you see any SIPs or mutual funds 10 year and more, it has given you a bare minimum of 15% returns per annum. Keeping this fundamental in mind, Mr. Deepak would have invested 34 lakh rupees for the 14 years. After 14 years, this 34 lakh rupees will translate to 2 crore 3 lakh rupees. And gradually, Mr. Deepak property resale value also grown in 20 years, which is 2 crore 20 lakh rupees right now. Total wealth, what Mr. Deepak have made it over here, instead of closing the loan, he have completed the loan in 20 years plus invested the huge liquidity into the market. 2 crore 3 lakh from investment he have gained, plus property gain is approximately around 2 crore 20 lakh rupees. Total gain for Mr. Deepak is approximately around 4 crore 23 lakh rupees. If you are able to understand total gain for Mr. Deepak, even after paying amount toward the bank, which is 83 lakh rupees, if I minus that amount, still the gain of Mr. Deepak is 3 crore 23 lakh rupees rather than closing the loan. Now you need to understand whether you wish to close the loan or you wish to diversify your portfolio. This fundamental will work for someone who's diversifying the portfolio of investment, not just investing into a real estate. It will be helpful for someone who is investing into stock market or SIPs or mutual funds. And if you are not doing that, then it's better to close the home loan. If you are not running other investments, if you are not making any investment portfolio for yourself, let me give you a few tips where you can close the loan early if you wish to close the loan without shelling out a huge liquidity of yours. First option, every year you pay one extra EMI. If your loan tenure is 25 years, it will become 20 years. Second option, you increase your EMI 5% annually and you're going to reduce the loan tenure from 25 years to 13 years. Third option is the combination of first option and second option, where you increase your one EMI every year plus you increase 10% more. Your loan tenure will reduce from 25 years to 9.5 years. So understand, home loans are not the burden. They are the leverage to you, which helps you in saving the taxes. Even under the income tax section 80C, you are saving 1,50,000 in principal, and as per the section 24B, you are saving 2 lakh rupees as an interest component. So total claimable amount for you is around 3.5 lakh. I would highly suggest you don't rush to close your loans. Instead of that, plan strategically, diversify your portfolio, and then take a call for yourself. Let me tell you, there is no thumb rule for anyone. It's totally depend on individual goals and objective. We always say that. And if you are still confused and you want consultation, we request you book an appointment with ValuePulse Cafe. Thank you.